So today's experiment is on counting and timing. So we're going to look at different mechanisms of using electronic counting systems to accurately measure things like frequency, to measure the responsiveness of human vision, so kind of the frequency rate that your eye refreshes at. We're going to have a look at binary counting versus binary coded decimal counting, and we're going to look at using breadboards, which is an engineering tool more than a physics tool usually. And some of you may or may not be very experienced with it, so I've included a brief description of how to use one. The final part of the experiment, though, today, and the big part of the experiment, the reason I'm wearing this t-shirt, is a measurement of acceleration due to gravity. And of course, as you know, if you've been following along with the lectures, Isaac Newton is one of my very favorite physicists, both because he was absolutely brilliant, but also because he was a total monster and really horrible to people. And those are both qualities that I try to embody. I'm wearing, obviously, my Isaac Newton t-shirt. Arguably, the greatest genius of all time. You know, there's others up there. There's Shakespeare, there's Maxwell, there's Macpherson, there's, I don't know, probably that would be it. That would be a list of the greatest geniuses of our time. So again, we don't really need to worry too much about safety concerns. The voltages I'll be using in this experiment are well under 5 volts. The currents are similarly low, so there shouldn't be any problems there. And I hope this one goes well for you. This is one that you might want to consider writing up because there's a lot of material. I'll record a video nearer the time about how I want the lab report to look, what kind of format it should take, and the requirements. But yeah, this and spectroscopy, which we just did, should be maybe 2 of the ones you really consider doing. So have a think, but hopefully it goes well for you. Alright, on to the experiment. I'm gonna edit that with the seamless editing that is my, kind of trademark, so that it just cuts seamlessly into the next experiment. It's gonna be great.